It's really hard to say, okay, I want to save money, I want to get out of debt, I want to do all these great things when you don't have a plan. I am Rachel Cruze and host of The Rachel Cruze Show. The Rachel Cruze Show is all about taking control of your money and creating a life you love. There was always an element of foundation of me being financially responsible because I knew how to budget. I knew how to save money. I knew it was important to live on less than you make. Like, I had all these principles in my head, but I would say the moment I got married was right at the end of college, and I realized then, okay, I have got to grow up and actually do this stuff really well. We actually did our first budget together a few months into marriage, and it was terrible. It was a disaster, and it took us about 3 months to get that budget to work. And I think our life financially looks a whole lot different in a good way than if we had stuck with my bad money habits through the rest of our marriage. I want to be able to give people hope and instruction and information on how to take their money, take control of their money, and let it not be a stress point or a pain point in their life. The one thing that most people need to know when it comes to their finances is that you have to be intentional. It's the number one mistake people make, is that they're not intentional with their money, that their money just happens to them versus them happening to their money. And really, when it comes down to it, a budget is the best tactical tool for that. All of my advice that comes from money, whether it's budgeting, getting out of debt, staying out of debt, all comes from really my personal experience. Even all the books that I've written have come out of things that I have experienced. It's really important for me that when I'm speaking, it's all on things that I have a background in or things that really have been part of my life. At the end of the day, I have found that helping people is what brings true richness and wealth into my life, and it's just been really an exciting season for me. And so being intentional and knowing what you're aiming for, what your goals are, and again, day to day, that's the budget.